So for weeks, I was posting videos on my Instagram that were getting basically no views at all. Like literally nobody was watching my content. But after making just one very simple change to my hook, I went from 1000 Instagram views to 2.1 million views in just 3 months. And one of my clients, Shaurya, went from 0 views to over 1 million views, reached every single month. Now here's what nobody tells you. I analyzed over 500 Instagram videos across my account and my clients' accounts, and I found that videos with specific numbers in the hook average 457% more views than videos without them. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between nobody seeing your content and actually building a personal brand that generates real business. And the crazy part, this isn't about having better content, better editing, or more followers. It's literally just about fixing the first 3 seconds. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the exact framework I use called the SBT method to help you write hooks that took my videos from 500 views to 2 million plus views. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to rewrite your hooks so your next 10 videos perform better than everything you've posted in the last 6 months. Let's get into it. Here's the thing, when you have low views on Instagram, one of the biggest issues you're gonna face is that you're competing against literally everyone else in the algorithm. And when people are scrolling through their feed, they're gonna see your video next to videos with like hundreds of thousands of views. And this is a problem because when people see your video next to a video with crazy high views, they're just gonna assume that the video with more views is higher quality. And most of the time, they're gonna ignore your video and just keep scrolling. I wish that wasn't the case, but it is what it is. But here's the good news. There is a way to completely sidestep this whole issue, and I've used this on my own content and it worked insanely well. And I've also seen this work for my clients who went from nobody watching their videos to generating over 1000 leads from Instagram content alone. And all of it starts by understanding one simple thing. It's not your content that's broken, it's your hook. So I went back and analyzed hundreds of my own Instagram videos and I found something insane. Videos where I used specific numbers in the hook, those averaged 45,821 views. Videos without specific numbers, those averaged 8,234 views. Now that's a 457% difference, literally just from changing the first 3 seconds. So basically there's two groups of people on Instagram. Group 1, people who'll only watch content from big accounts. They see low views, they scroll, you can't really win them over. Group 2, people who will absolutely stop on a video with low views if the hook grabs them in the first 3 seconds. And I'm actually in this second group. Like, I'll happily watch a video with 427 views if the hook is good enough. So now our job is to target these people. We need to grab attention in the first 3 seconds from people who will actually give unknown creators a chance. And by the way, if you want the exact framework I use for this, I actually put together a complete guide called the SBT Method that breaks down the whole psychology behind viral hooks. It's completely free. Links in the description, and I also threw in a bonus swipe file with hook templates you can literally just copy. But let me show you exactly how this works. So the framework I use is called the SBT Method. It stands for Story, Bizarre, Targeting. And if your videos are stuck under 500 views, you're probably missing one of these 3 things in your hook. Let me break it down real quick. S stands for story. Your hook needs narrative tension, like a problem or a transformation people actually care about. Here's an example that worked. Last month, we sent over 28,000 cold emails, spent less than $500 and generated $7,000 in revenue. See, that's a story. There's a beginning, middle, and a result. People want to know how you did that. But here's one that totally failed. His content gets millions of views and generates millions of dollars. Like, that's just vague, no personal story, no tension, it's just boring. B stands for bizarre. Your hook needs to be counterintuitive or kinda shocking. Something that makes people go, wait, what? Here's one that worked really well. How can you create content without ever recording content? That's bizarre, right? It doesn't make sense at first. So people stop scrolling because they wanna figure out what you're talking about. But this one, total flop. How to use AI to become a content creator. Everyone's talking about AI right now. There's no surprise there. It's expected, so people just scroll past it. T stands for targeting. Your hook needs to be specific to a person or an outcome. Not broad, not vague. Here's what works. If you're a coach making $5,000 per month and you want to hit $20,000 without running paid ads, that's targeting. If you're that person, you stop. If you're not, you keep scrolling. And that's actually good. We want the right people, not everyone. But this, way too broad. Want to grow your business? I mean, yeah, everyone wants to grow their business. That's like asking, do you want more money? It's too generic to actually hook anyone. So why does the SBT method work so well? Because it immediately sets your video apart from everyone else. When people are scrolling and they see your video with a hook that uses story, bizarre, targeting, even though your video might have low views, they're gonna think, oh, this is specific, this is different, this might actually show me something I won't find from some huge account. And so instead of trying to compete with these massive creators, we're actually leaning into the fact that we're smaller follower accounts with something specific to say. We're using that to our advantage. People will stop on your video if you use this framework because they're gonna think this creator is talking directly to me. They've got a real story. This feels different. And if you remember those two groups of viewers I mentioned earlier, this framework's gonna really grab the attention of that second group who actually do stop on videos with low views. Now, if you're sitting there like, okay, this makes sense, but I need the full system, well, I literally just launched Content Circle where I'm giving away the complete framework. Weekly coaching calls, every template I use, the full content operating system, and it's only $49 a month. Links in the description if you want to check it out. Alright, so let's talk about how to actually use the SBT method on your Instagram content. Step 1, go see what's working in your niche. Like, just go look at the top performing videos in your space. Don't copy them, study the pattern. Are they using before after numbers, counterintuitive claims, super specific targeting? Write down 10 hooks that make you stop scrolling. Then reverse engineer them using SBT. Step 2, write hooks that have story plus bizarre plus targeting. Here's a simple formula you can use. Specific person went from low state to high state by doing counterintuitive action. So like a broke coach went from $2,000 per month to $15,000 per month by stopping all her content and doing this instead. Story, $2,000 to $15,000 transformation. Bizarre, stopping all her content. Targeting, broke coach. See how that works? Step 3, test it and track what happens. Post 10 videos using SBT hooks. See which ones break 500 views. The ones that work, double down on those. Recreate that exact pattern. The ones that flop, just ask yourself, was the story clear enough? Was the bizarre element actually surprising? Was the targeting too broad? Then adjust and try again. Step 4, don't bury your hook. This is super important. Your hook is the first 3 seconds, not 5 seconds, not 7. 3. If someone doesn't know what your video is about in 3 seconds, they're scrolling. So lead with the result, the bizarre claim, or the specific person you're talking to. Don't waste time doing, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I want to talk about, just start with the hook right away. Alright, so here's where you're at right now. You know the framework, story, bizarre, targeting. You know why your videos are stuck under 500 views. It's not the content, it's just the hook. And you know how to fix it. So download the free SBT method guide, join Content Circle to get the complete content system, weekly coaching, live calls, and every single template I use with a 7-day free trial, links in the description. And if you actually want my help implementing this, I scale the entire content system for founders using AI clones, so you literally never have to record. That's what we do at Social Brew Toronto. We handle everything, the research, the scripts, the production, the posting, links also in the description. But whatever you choose, just remember this, your content's not bad, your hook's broken, fix the first 3 seconds and you'll 10 times your reach. And if you found this helpful, send it to someone who's stuck under 500 views, and I'll see you in the next one.